If they want to exchange the program to Australia, they'll get a different certificate which is like accredited with the government of Australia. Here, there are like quiet study spaces where they can do their group studies with their friends.
Right.
If they want to do a presentation or anything like as such, like a group study, they can use these rooms.
So all classrooms are, available with
Yes.
all digital infrastructure.
Yes,
Everything is
yes.
available.
The classes are in the evening, so morning they can work and then evening they can do their classes.
So I think
in the
that's-
visa also you'll get it in 2 days, 2 working
Yeah.
days for Indians.
Yeah.
Maybe if they are missing the half of the class or like 1/4 of the class, they can access the recorded lectures which is there in their student
Right.
portal. So
Right.
for example, any of the student wants to exchange the program to the Perth campus, then they can do it after their 1 year.
Hello guys, welcome to Study Abroad with Piyush. We are here at Curtin University today, Curtin University Dubai campus, and we are here with Kashna ma'am, who's
Hi.
going to be
Hi guys.
showing us around and talking about the Curtin University and sharing us what's on there on the campus and letting us know, give us a sneak peek.
So this is our 11th block. So here we'll start our journey for the campus tour.
Yeah, perfect.
So here is the visa services where,
any
for
students,
example,
yeah.
for the Dubai campus, for Dubai like country. So basically the best part is the visa,
Right.
because there is no hassle for them to start their visa process. Like many of the countries like Canada and US and all,
Right.
they need to submit bank statements and everything. But for Dubai, it's a simple process. Only the visa for the passport copy and their passport size photo with white background.
Right. I mean, I
That's
met
it.
a student from Curtin University yesterday who said he got from his application start to the
the
visa
base.
was like 2 weeks.
2 weeks,
In
yes.
2 weeks, everything was done. So I think
So in
that's
the visa also you'll get it in 2 days, 2 working
Yeah.
days for Indians.
Yeah.
So here is the transportation department as well, and then future student center where admissions team
Right.
like will help them for the applications and everything.
So this is also for where they come and do the registration.
Yeah, registrations. Yes, and then this is a computer lab. So in this block we have 3 computer labs.
Okay.
So in which like all the students for IT, cyber security and other programs like business and for like what we say mechanical engineering, they
Right.
use this labs. Like we have 3 computer labs in this block. So this
Okay.
is one of that. Here there are like quiet study spaces where they can do their group studies with their friends.
Right.
If they want to do a presentation or anything like as such like a group study, they can use these rooms. They need to book the rooms prior and they can utilize this.
So is there like an online system to make the bookings?
Yes, there is. And then this is again a smaller classroom where the foundation students have their classes.
Okay.
So right now we have a campus of nearly like 1,300 students. And then we have a separate campus for mechanical engineering, only for mechanical engineering. So this is only for business, design and psychology.
So business design and psychology
Yeah,
are
and
here.
IT and cybersecurity.
IT and
Yes,
cybersecurity.
yes.
Where is the mechanical engineering campus?
It's in DSO, Dubai Silicon Oasis. It's an industry place,
Right.
so it's in DSO.
Wow.
Yeah.
So that mechanical engineering
Is separately for
is
them.
separately for them.
Them, yes.
In the middle of the industry.
Yeah, correct. So this is a living lounge, so where students can sit and chill for some time, like a space for them, free space for them. And we have a student success center. So basically, like for the students who need like special help or like guide from the professor, for example, if they are missing out in something, they can grab and help for them.
It's like students who are kind of lacking behind
Yes.
in academics.
Yes.
It's,
So if
to
they,
help
for
them.
example, any of the students are not good in maths, they want some special classes. So they can come and write a mail to them or they can meet them separately.
Nice. I think this is important that students, because especially the undergrad students, they sometimes feel a bit lost.
Yes, correct.
So it's important that they have people they can look up to.
Yeah. And this is again the student launch. So where this is at the indoor play. I would say that this is an indoor play area.
Right.
So where they can like play with their friends, like they have the
Yeah, we were
snow and
talking to some
Yeah.
students here before.
okay.
I'm sure a lot of students spend their time here.
Yes, and this is our schedule, weekly schedule, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Now the exams are going on in few days. There will be their final exams for this trimester.
Right.
So after that, they'll have their holidays, like UAE national holidays there from
Right.
for 4 days, and then they'll go for their vacation for 1 month. Winter break will be
Right.
there until Jan.
So all the activities happening on campus, they can
Yeah,
actually...
we have like theater club, and then we have culinary club, we have the music club, dance club, football, basketball, everything. So we have our separate, we are partnered with Launch Danube Sports.
Right.
So where people, like
The
students go
Danube
and
Sports,
play.
like the big stadium.
The big stadium,
Yeah.
yes. So they go and play the football, or they want to play basketball or anything outdoor games. They do go and play, and we do provide shuttle service from university to Danube Sports Center.
To the Danube Sports
Yeah.
Center. Guys, I will show you the Danube Sports Center. It's like a huge facility.
Yes.
Looks like a large UFO like spaceship in the middle of Dubai. Of course, the latest sporting facilities are
Yes.
available. This is also
So this
some-
is a smaller classroom for psychology. So I think there is no class going on now. Yeah.
So all classrooms are available with
Yes.
all digital infrastructure. Everything is
yes.
available. I think that's what I really like about Dubai. As like in general, all the universities are like very well equipped.
So this is our incubation center basically. So for example, if they have any new ideas and all anything, they'll come and sit together to implement the ideas. Yeah.
It's also having karaoke.
No worries. So this is our faculty area. Like they'll be having the like professors and everything. They'll sit there. The faculty.
This is the
They can
faculty.
meet them. If, for example, any of the students are having any doubts, they can sit with them personally as well. And this is again one more group study area for the students. And then, as I said, there are like few computer labs. So this is again the one of them. I think some class is going on.
It's also like a classroom with round tables.
So this is again one more classroom. This is the bigger one, like where
This is like a large lecture theatre.
yeah. So this is for business, and then we have BBA, BCom students. Like they have the huge, so like we have the huge chunk of students for BBA and BCom.
Right.
So usually they have classes in this room. Like there are 2 rooms here. It's a partition kind of thing.
Right.
So for example, if there are more students, then we remove this
Remove this
partition.
partition.
Yeah.
We used to have our MBA classes in a very similar setup.
Okay.
We also have master's programs here at Curtin University.
Yes, we do have, like the classes are in the evening. So morning they can work, and then evening they can do their classes.
So the university gives them the NOC to work full time if they
Yes,
want to.
full time, 9 to 6, because the classes are from 6:30 to 8:30.
6:30 to 8:30.
Yeah.
And some of these classes can also be done virtually.
Yes, few of them, not all the classes,
Right.
because usually Curtin Dubai offers classes physically. So they need to come to the uni
So
to
they
attend
need
the
to come to the
classes.
uni.
Yes. So if they are missing any classes, then they'll be having recorded lectures in their student portal, so they can access the recorded lectures.
So they can access the
Yes.
recorded lectures, right?
Yes.
No, that is as good as being able to access the information virtually.
Yes.
Because what I understand is like academic city, this is a little far away.
Yes.
So if you are working somewhere and your work ends at 6, it's almost next to impossible to be here in
So
30
they can
minutes.
come and like maybe if they are missing the half of the class or like 1/4 of the class, they can access the recorded lectures, which is there in their student
Right.
portal.
So they can come join the class maybe a little
Yes.
bit late, but then whatever they've missed out, that they can actually see online.
Yes, correct.
So that's also
Even not for masters, even for our bachelor
Even for
students.
bachelor
Yes,
students.
even for foundation pathway students, we do have our
all
work-
lectures are
yes,
recorded. All lectures are published
recorded.
online. I
Yes.
think that is also very useful for the students.
Yes.
So do you find a lot of students who are coming for masters studying
From India.
from
so
India?
most of them are for masters, and then like bachelors, mostly they come to exchange program, because our main campus is in Perth. So
Right.
for example, any of the student wants to exchange the program to the Perth campus, then they can do it after their 1 year, because 2 years
Alright.
of
So they will come here for 1 year and
yes.
then take a transfer to
to
Perth.
Perth or any of our campuses.
Any
like-
other campuses as well? Yes, absolutely. And we saw the 6 campuses where from the place.
So these
where
are
we
the
started.
pictures took by our students. So they have kept it here, captured by our students, basically. We have a photography club as well.
Nice. Very beautiful pictures. Today is the world of NFTs. You
Yes.
know?
So this
We
is
can
again one
finance
more
them.
classroom here. So and then this is our presentation room, basically. So for example, so this is a 360-degree presentation room.
Yes. We're going to leave just before that, so don't worry. So you have like projectors on all sides, so
Yes.
everyone
can
see,
view, like,
they can be on
360
their round tables. I also like it's like really vibrant, very bright.
So this is our 11th block, and then we'll go you want to go with 12th or you want to go for like 10th.
Whatever,
Anything is
10th,
fine. So we'll go there and then come here. So that is our new block basically. So for design and because the students are more now, so we have expanded our 12th block.
Okay. We are just lucky. We met two students from
Okay.
Curtin and they were like, oh, come, we'll take you to our university.
This is a food court basically
Right,
for
the
all
one
the universities.
Right, it's a common food court,
Common food court. Yes. So this is again our new block basically. So just now we have started from this year. So not this year, I would say that from last month.
Last month.
Yeah.
Very new then.
Yeah, very
Yes.
new. So this is again few more learning spaces here. So this is for engineering, basically engineering only for foundation.
Right.
So this is not for bachelors. So foundation in engineering, they use this lab.
So there are different kinds of machinery
kinds of machines,
available.
yes.
Right. Like 3D printers.
Yeah, 3D
Are
printers are
there.
there. And then the like this one is I think the scanner basically.
This is also one of the 3D printers.
Yeah, 3D. This is the 3D printer.
Yeah, so some of the 3D printed things out here, some components that students have made out of making gears and like. Curtin is also actually very popular for mechanical engineering.
Mechanical engineering,
right?
yes,
It's,
because we are like overall accredited with the Australia Engineering, which is related to the government of Australia.
Right.
So therein, if they want to do the, if they want to exchange the program to Australia, they'll get a different certificate, which is like accredited with the government of Australia.
So if you're
they
looking
want
to study mechanical engineering at bachelor's level, especially in Dubai, then I don't think there's a better university than Curtin University, guys. And see all the kind of cool stuff that they're making here. It looks simple, but it's all 3D printed. Huh? So look at something that these guys have made. It's a press. It's a fully functional working press made with a 3D printer. Pretty cool. And here students making with Arduino. Some don't want to touch and spoil it. But yeah, a lot of access. And sometimes what the problem I see is universities have things,
Yes.
but nobody's using them. Good to see that
But
students
they
have made
use
some
the-
prototypes
this-
that they're lying around and
because of Professor Selvan sir, he actually focuses on more practical skills rather than only mugging up with the theory.
then absolutely
So,
today's
yes.
the world for skills, and if you don't have skills, you can't get a job today.
So this is again one more classroom for learning space. The
Notice is
cafe,
that the classes are quite small.
small, yes.
Few students
Because
in a
only
class.
only 25 to 30 students.
Are
So
there.
we have two batches every day. So morning and the afternoon batch.
Right.
So basically, if, for example, any of the students are doing part time, they can come in the morning and afternoon they can work.
They can work.
Yeah, even for there is a flexibility for bachelors as well.
Bachelors as well.
Yes. So that's why we have kept two batches, one in the morning and afternoon. So this is again the classroom where this is again a presentation room, and they also utilize sometimes as classroom.
This is like a theater.
Yeah, theater room.
Stand here and perform for the entire audience.
This is again the cafeteria area.
There's a private
So the
cafe being
yeah,
made for the students.
students. So there are a few more classrooms over there. Classroom, sorry.
This is more similar to the same,
Same
kind of like 3D.
yeah, theater. One more small theater space.
So if you like this content, please subscribe to our channel and I will see you all in the next video.